Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called WebinarPal, which is an all-in-one platform that allows users to host unlimited webinars, meetings, live chats and training sessions or classes on ultra fast servers for live at unbeatable one low time price. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.